Tired of Wi-Fi dead zones and lagging connections? Let's get your AT&T All-Fi Hub Air set up for amazing whole home coverage. First, unbox your AT&T All-Fi Hub Air. Inside, you'll find the hub itself, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. Keep that guide handy. Locate a central spot in your home for your All-Fi Hub Air. Think of it as the heart of your Wi-Fi network. Avoid placing it in corners, behind large appliances, or near reflective surfaces like aquariums, as these can interfere with the signal. Connect the power adapter to the port on the back of the hub and plug it into a nearby electrical outlet. The hub will power on automatically. You'll see some lights illuminate on the front. Next, connect your AT&T All-Fi Hub Air to your existing AT&T Internet modem or gateway using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the port labeled Internet, or WAN on the hub, and the other end into an available Ethernet port on your modem. Now, grab your smartphone and download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your new All-Fi Hub Air. You'll likely need to scan a QR code on the bottom of your hub. The app will guide you through creating your Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and a strong, secure password. Choose a name that's easy to remember for your network. Make sure your password is a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Once your network is configured, the lights on your All-Fi Hub Air should turn solid green, indicating a successful connection and that your Wi-Fi network is live. You can now connect your devices to the new network you just created. Finally, test your connection in various rooms throughout your home if you have more than one All-Fi Hub Air unit. Repeat the setup process for each satellite to extend your Wi-Fi coverage even further. Enjoy seamless, reliable internet everywhere.